Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. I just wanted to talk about my hair routine today. I've had a few people compliment my hair and ask me who my hairstylist was, what hair products I used. So let's begin. Today I just got out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is still a little damp. It's been drying quickly lately. I think it's because I recently got a haircut, so that definitely makes a difference. Today for shampooing, I used Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo. I like it because it has honey extracts in it, and it goes along with the conditioner that I use after I shampoo my hair. So I recently purchased this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. The packaging is super cute. It actually comes with a lot of product. A little goes a long way with this, so I definitely recommend this, even though it is a little bit pricier than the shampoo that I use. It definitely makes my hair softer, easier to brush through. Just a really good product overall. You go to the Briogeo website and it'll explain like what their company does with these products and stuff like that, but this is like about like $30. I don't know. I'll have to leave a link down below my subscription box. The shampoo you can just get from the drugstore. Whole Blends. It's my favorite shampoo. Just like I said, it goes along with the conditioner that I use. As for leave-in mist, I've been doing that lately. I got a product from my friend Lindsay. It has apple cider vinegar leave-on mist. It's AG Hair Care company. Super good product. I'm glad I snatched this. I looked it up and it's not that pricey. Like, it's not bad in price range. You can get it on Amazon for like $22. I don't know if that's a good route to go. I'm not sure, but definitely recommend this product. And you put it in when your hair is damp, so I'm just gonna do that now because I just got out of the shower. And it also like helps with the heat. So like whenever you're blow drying your hair, you just let it sink in. And I'm not afraid to put it all over my hair because I've been doing it. So I'm just gonna. Smells like apple cider vinegar. I know some people use that as a detox, which is really strange, like that it's in a hair product and it actually works. I'm just gonna take my brush and brush through my hair. I have really thick hair, so it takes me a minute. Brush through all the product that I just put into my hair from the leave-in spray mist to make sure that it's evenly portioned throughout my hair, you know. And I'm just gonna do a quick hairstyle today. I haven't done it in a while. It's my favorite. Braids are my favorite route to go when I'm in a hurry and I need to be somewhere. You know, I need to run errands. It's just a perfect hairstyle to do. If you know how to braid perfect, this is the great hairstyle for you if you're in a hurry. So I'm just gonna start. Okay, so now that this first half is done, I'm going to go off camera and do the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am about done with this braid. I mean, with layers and whatnot, you don't have to go like braid all the way down. Today I'll just go a little before going, you know, all the way down to the bottom. Throughout braiding, I with layers sometimes have to pull through other hairs just to make sure that the braid goes all the way at a decent length, however length you would like, whatever you prefer. And voila, it's done. It's super simple, and if you're a perfectionist like me, sometimes it can be a little rough. I like to redo it because there's like a few little bumps or like a little gap right there. I can see it. Hopefully it doesn't bug me too much. I might go through and rebraid that, but other than that, this is a quick hairdo after you get out of the shower and, you know, you use whatever products you prefer for your hair type. I always use my Aquanet to spray the braid and make sure like these little hairs are set in place. I like to braid it through. And then like, for those of you who like the waves after your braid, the hairspray definitely helps with, you know, keeping the curls more vivid, more texturized or whatever. Actually like helps with your hairstyle. So there's that. And if you're like me and some days you like to air dry your hair, that's fine. Since I have thicker hair, I will definitely be blow drying my hair, and after that I just don't put any more products in my hair. After that, like, I'm good to go. That's just me personally. But there you have it. For those of you that have been interested in what I do with my hair on a daily, I tend to wash my hair every other day. I know it's not good to wash your hair every day. My hair tends to get oily fast, which I hate, but I went to beauty school, so I got a lot of insight on how to take care of my hair and things like that. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching me and doing a quick hairstyle. If you have any suggestions, if you liked my hair tutorial today, please let me know. I'll see you next time, and don't be afraid to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I hope to see you again. Thanks, bye!